Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplication. This video introduces multiplication of whole numbers. Let's start off with something straightforward involving multiples of 10. When multiplying by multiples of 10, just add the required number of zeros. The following examples will show this process. So if you have 45 by 10, the answer is 450. All you do is, that 0 comes from there because you're multiplying by 10, you're allowed to do that. So just add 1 0 after 45. If you have 36 by 100, the answer is 3600. Just add 2 zeros after 36. Now this only applies when you have a 1 in front. Okay, when you have a 1 and a certain number of zeros. So 78 times 1,000 equals 78,000. Just add 3 zeros after 78. Now in videos that follow, we'll see what we do when these numbers here are like 2, 3, 4, etc. and all those are zeros. But just for this particular example, you just add the zeros and that's your answer. So let's do some straightforward multiplication. 23 times 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, answer's 46. 312 times 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 936. 3,121 times 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So there's no trading here. Basic multiplication. Notice how we put the numbers in the correct columns. So now we have some basic trading. So here we go. Now remember that's the ones column there. So let's see what happens. 2 times 7 is 14. Now you remember the number 14. I'm sure you remember the actual meaning of the number 14. It means you have 4 ones. So they're the 4 ones there. See the 1 here? That means it's 110. That's why we put the 1 there in the tens column. Because that 1 means 110. That's why it goes there. 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5. The answer is 54. 365 multiplied by 2. Now, 2 5s are 10. So there's your 0. 0 1s, and there's your 110. 2 6s are 12, and 1 is 13. Okay? 1 is 13. So there's your 3. That's 3 lots of 10, okay? And then over here, that's actually 1 lot of 100. Because it's 13, you can put the 3 lots of 10 here, and the 1 lot of 100 can go there. And twice 3 is 6, and 1 is 7. So the answer is 730. For this one, we have 4 3s are 12. Put down the 2, and the 1 goes there. 4 4s are 16, plus 1 is 17. Put down the 7, the 1 goes there. 4 7s are 28, plus 1 is 29. Put down the 9, and the 2 goes there. And 4 5s are 20, plus 2 is 22, and there's your 22. 22,972. For this sum here, 4 7s are 28. Put down the 8, there's the 2. 4 9s are 36. Plus 2 is 38. There's the 8, and there's the 3. 4 8s are 32. Plus 3 is 35. There's the 5, and there's the 3. And 4 6s are 24. Plus 3 is 27. So the answer is 27,588. 6,078 times 9. 9 8s are 72. Put the 2 there, and there's the 7. 9 7s are 63, plus 7 is 70. There's the 0, and there's the 7. 9 zeros are 0, plus 7 is 7. And 9 6s are 54. So that's the answer. And for this one, 4 6s are 24. Put down the 4 there, and there's the 2. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 4 5s are 20. Put the 0 there, and the 2 there. 4 times 0 is 0. And plus 2 is 2, and 4 7s are 28. So 282,024. And here are two simple exercises for you to try. So pause the video for as long as you want and do those exercises. Then you can check with your fellow students how you went and also have a chat to your teachers. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video on multiplication with trading.